हाय गाइज, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल टैग इन्फो एजुकेशन विद डी के। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताऊंगा कि आप आधार सुपरवाइजर या ऑपरेटर का एग्ज़ाम जो ऑनलाइन देते हैं वो कैसे देते हैं। मैं यहाँ टेस्ट को अटैम्प्ट कर रहा हूँ और मैं ये प्रैक्टिकल कर रहा हूँ कि एक टेस्ट में टोटल मैं अगर एग्ज़ाम दूंगा तो उसमें कितना मुझे मार्क्स आएगा, उसी का मैं ये अटैम्प्ट कर रहा हूँ। तो आप देखिए, अंत तक बने रहिए और ये क्वेश्चंस का प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। मे बी आपको आधार ऑपरेटर या सुपरवाइजर के एग्ज़ाम में आ सकता है। तो चलिए, मैं टोटल अभी 15 क्वेश्चंस को अटैम्प्ट कर चुका हूँ और आप देखिए वन बाय वन क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट है, इन केस इंट्रोड्यूसर बैसेड इनरोलमेंट विच ऑफ द गिवन एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन शैल बी कलेक्टेड। और ये एग्ज़ाम ऑनलाइन हो रहा है तो मैं बहुत को टिक कर रहा हूँ। अब नेक्स्ट है 17 नंबर में कि रजिस्ट्रार एनरोलिंग एजेंसी एंड एनरोलमेंट स्टाफ। क्वेश्चन, एज पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजिंग द एनरोलमेंट सेंटर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शुड ए सुपरवाइजर डू। बोल रहा है एज पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजिंग एनरोलमेंट सेंटर, यानी कि एक पार्ट है आप मैनेजिंग एनरोलमेंट सेंटर का। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शुड ए सुपरवाइजर डू, तब आप एक सुपरवाइजर के रूप में आप क्या करेंगे। तो साइन ऑफ एवरी एनरोलमेंट ऑन आधार क्लाइंट। उसके बाद है दूसरा में है यूज फाइंड आधार फैसिलिटी इंश्योर फ्रेश रेसिडेंटल हैव नेवर एनरोल। नेक्स्ट है इंश्योर दैट द ऑपरेटर एंड provided his her biometric confirmation after every Aadhaar enrollment update। तो मैं ऑल ऑफ द अबव में टिक लगाता हूँ। नेक्स्ट 18 नंबर में क्वेश्चन है रजिस्ट्रार enrolling agency and enrolling staff। Supervisor also ensure the enrollment station are signed list once in every 15 days। Which of the following should a supervisor ensure to backup sign and export data। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 20 में रजिस्ट्रार एनरोलिंग एजेंसी एंड एनरोलिंग स्टाफ। क्वेश्चन है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सुपरवाइजर शुड अलाउ द ऑपरेटर टू रिव्यू एन एनरोलमेंट पैकेट क्रिएटेड बाय registrar enrolling agency and enrolling staff। Question, in case of any error found in the enrollment data entered, which of the following should be done। In case registrar enrolling agency and enrolling staff, in case any error found in the enrollment data entered, which of the following should be done। Registrar enrolling agency and enrolling staff, which of the following actions should be supervisor do after day in the review। They mail to authority and operator side। Regular enrolling agency and enrolling staff is supervisor monitors and audits his functions at the enrollment center. How does the audit feedback help the entire team. Cut and pay operator who perform is not bank. Identify area, improve of enrollment operation. Register enrolling agency and enrolling staff who is operator and supervisor. Who is an operator and supervisor. A person handle function enrollment agency like clearing, election, concession act, a mediator between authority and enrollment agency, an individual employed by enrollment agency to execute enrollment at the enrollment station. Register enrolling agency and enrolling staff who is operator and supervisor and individual. 25 क्वेश्चन में 25वां क्वेश्चन में onboarding enrollment agency and enrolling staff. The registrar and enrollment agency shall only use the enrollment update software provided or authority by the उदय. नेक्स्ट 26वां मैं अटेम्प्ट करने जा रहा हूँ. ऑन बोर्डिंग एनरोलमेंट एजेंसी एंड एनरोलमेंट स्टाफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स द ऑन बोर्डिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑपरेटर एंड सुपरवाइजर विद द रजिस्ट्रार एंड ईएच. Coordinate an onboarding process of operator and supervisor with registrar and authority head office or authority. 27 में क्वेश्चन है onboarding enrollment agency and enrollment staff dash to capture coordinate of the enrollment device need to avail all the time. GPS device, FM रेडियो, टेलीविजन. तो यहाँ GPS डिवाइस देना है. Dash monitor and approval of enrollment center plan and may intervene where required. Dash monitor and approval for enrollment center plan and may intervene where required. Dash declares enrollment station. Dash declares enrollment station development plans that is when the where the center will be established before opening an enrollment center. Enrollment agency. Enrollment agency. क्वेश्चन. 30वां क्वेश्चन है आधार एनरोलमेंट स्लाइस अपडेट प्रोसेस. व्हाट इज द वेटिंग टाइम ऑफ आधार जनरेशन. देखिए आधार जनरेशन का वेटिंग टाइम है कि आपका 90 दिन में भी लगता है. तो इसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो जाएगा आपको सी। नेक्स्ट 31 क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। 31 पे है आधार एनरोलमेंट अपडेट प्रोसेस। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ आधार एनरोलमेंट? एक है डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड एनरोलमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड, इंट्रोड्यूसर बेस्ड, हेड फैमिली बेस्ड एंड चाइल्ड एनरोलमेंट। नेक्स्ट है फिजिकल एनरोलमेंट, ऑनलाइन एनरोलमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड एनरोलमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड एनरोलमेंट, इंट्रोड्यूसर बेस्ड, हेड फैमिली बेस्ड एंड चाइल्ड एनरोलमेंट। तो मैं ये फिजिकल एनरोलमेंट, which form need to be filled by the resident Aadhaar enrollment? Aadhaar enrollment correction form. Multiple Aadhaar numbers are generated in case of multiple enrollment. आधार नंबर विल बी जनरेटेड इन वन डे, फॉल्स होगा। कभी भी आधार नंबर एक दिन में जनरेट नहीं होता है। नेक्स्ट है 35 क्वेश्चन। एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप प्रोवाइडेड बाय द रेसिडेंट आफ्टर आधार एनरोलमेंट कंटेंट। तो उसमें EID नंबर रहता है, एनरोलमेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर रहता है। इसका ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा। अब नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं 36वां क्वेश्चन। आधार एनरोलमेंट अपडेट प्रोसेस। क्वेश्चन, देयर इज ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ आधार एनरोलमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंट बेस्ड एनरोलमेंट। ट्रू। Who among the following is eligible to avail Aadhaar? Any resident who resided in India period of 182 days, यानी कि कोई भी आदमी जो 182 दिन से भारत में रह रहा है उसका आधार हम लोग बना सकते हैं। तो इसका ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा। अब 38 में चलते हैं। एनी रेसिडेंट हु रेसिडाइड इन इंडिया फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 182 days or more who possess required document is eligible for Aadhaar enrollment. ट्रू होगा ये। नेक्स्ट है 39। Any citizen of India, even those who have been residing in a foreign country for a last 1 year are eligible for Aadhaar. Even who have been residing in a foreign country for a last 1 year are eligible for Aadhaar. False. Next question है record data, date of birth, resident, indicate day, month and dash is a relevant field. Entitle, surname. If two documentary proof proceed by the enrollment have a variation in the same name, the enrollment dash should be recorded. Surname, father's name, full name. Father's name. 42. Question, next question. Dash has to recorded by the enrollment agency as it declared by the enrollment in the box provided by recording male, female of transaction, transgender. उसके बाद that gender. नेक्स्ट है फॉर रूरल एरियाज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग Next to capturing demography and biometric details. For rural areas, which of the following field can be left blank while recording the residence address? एड्रेस 2 को ब्लैंक छोड़ना है, बाकी एड्रेस 1 में फिल करना है. नेक्स्ट 44 का क्वेश्चन, which of the following details should be enter the address line 4 of the residence address? Which of the following details should be entered in the address line 4 of the residence address? Details should be entered in address line 4 of the residence address. एड्रेस लाइन 4 में है पिन कोड. फोर्टी 45 में विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू रिट्रीव प्री एनरोलमेंट डाटा? वन टाइम पासवर्ड से हम लोग प्री एनरोलमेंट डाटा निकाल सकते. नेक्स्ट 46 क्वेश्चन, नेम ऑफ द विलेज टाउन सिटी VTC and post office field get automatically populated when dash of the region is entered. House number. Mobile number. Next 47 का क्वेश्चन, which of the following will you do when a resident is unable to provide the exact date of birth? Enter the year. Next है, the dash must ensure that every operator has a copy of critical point to be reviewed at the station during the review. Enrollment agency supervisor. फोर्टी 49 में कैप्चरिंग डेमोग्राफी एंड बायोमेट्रिक डिटेल्स. Operator need to sign off every enrollment by the providing the fingerprint or iris. Which of the following field will be activated in case of introducer based verification? Enrolled agency must be use biometric devices certified by DAS for capturing biometric data. उदय 52 के क्वेश्चन फॉर ए फिंगर कैप्चर द फिंगर हैव टू पोजीशन करेक्ट ऑन द डैश टू इनेबल कैप्चर. देखिए प्ले 10 ये होगा राइट आंसर इसका. 53 में फिंगरप्रिंट आर बेस्ड कैप्चर इन आउटस्टैंडिंग पोजीशन. ट्रू होगा. खड़ा होके जब फिंगरप्रिंट लेते हैं तो अच्छा आता है. अब नेक्स्ट है 54 फॉर फिंगरप्रिंट कैप्चर द फिंगर हैव टू पोजीशन करेक्टली ऑन द टू बी इनेबल कैप्चर. प्लेटन 55 क्वेश्चन देखिए टाइमिंग स्टार्ट है मेरे पास. अब 79 मिनट्स लेफ्ट बचा हुआ है. फिंगरप्रिंट आर बेस्ड कैप्चर इन स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन. 56 का क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. फॉर कैप्चरिंग फेशियल इमेज डैश ऑफ द एनरोलमेंट नीड टू बी कैप्चर. एनी कंफर्टेबल ऑल ऑफ द फ्रंट पॉश साइड पॉश कंफर्टेबल पॉश ऑल ऑफ पॉश. In fingerprint capture is not of the required quality. The operator would make a responsible number of attempts in a capture of the biometric of the residents. True. If any enrollee is unable to give a biometric due to loss of finger, this is an and need to be handled thus. Biometric updates. 59 का क्वेश्चन है. In capturing iris image is not possible due to bandage across one of the both eyes. The same has to be recorded in the system of operator. में भी ट्रू हो सकता है. 60 क्वेश्चन. If the resident has applied if the resident has applied मेहंदी on her hand बोल रहा है if the resident has applied मेहंदी on her hand यानी कि कोई भी ऐसा है जिसके हाथ में मेहंदी लगा हुआ है her hand the finger image has not captured normally. तब उसका क्या होता है फिंगर कैप्चर नहीं होता है. ट्रू बोल रहा है. अब नेक्स्ट है 61 while handling finger image if the fingers is are dash the same has to be noticed in the data as provided in a software. अब 62 में चलते हैं. if the operator is not able to capture a facial image because the poor light the operator should move the enrollment station to location in the room with better light. 63 if the bandage finger of the applicant has to capture in the finger image the operator should crop the bandage in the image, capture fingerprint and the remaining finger, capture bandage finger separately and finger separately, group both image. All of the given option. 64 में चलते हैं. If a standard image of the fingerprint are not possible before a enrollee due to dryness, the operator should politely ask the enrolled to wash his face. True होगा। 65 में the operator would make a responsible number of attempts to capture the biometric of the residents in the finger capture on the platen is not of the required quality. अब 66 में चलिए। In capture, iris image is not a possible due to any deformity or disease. The operator should ask the resident to get the eye operated. Next है 67 में guideline for enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment identity. The error type is given image. Photo of photo. 68 guideline for enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment identity. The error type the given image. Poor quality photograph, incorrect photo. Guideline for enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment. Identify the error type given image. Photo of a photo. Guideline for enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment. Question: identify the error type the given image. Photo of a photo. Guideline for enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment. Question: identify error type of given image. Poor quality in execution photo. No exception available in a exception photo. Object and exception photo. Photo of photo is exception. Guideline for enrollment operator and supervisors on quality of enrollment. Question: identify the error type in the given image. Both different type, both photo of different person. 73 में चलते हैं। गाइडलाइन फॉर एनरोलमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड सुपरवाइजर ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ एनरोलमेंट। में चलते हैं। गाइडलाइन फॉर एनरोलमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड सुपरवाइजर क्वालिटी ऑफ एनरोलमेंट। क्वेश्चन: व्हाट इज रिलेशनशिप एरर when the woman mention when the mismatched daughter address, when the relationship address section is not matching with given gender photograph of residents। 2 में हो जाएगा। 75 में चलते हैं। गाइडलाइन ऑफ एनरोलमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड सुपरवाइजर क्वालिटी ऑफ एनरोलमेंट। क्वेश्चन: हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई एन एनरोलमेंट एड्रेस? The office address is not given। इसमें हो जाएगा if the address office is not given। 26 में चलते हैं। गाइडलाइन फॉर एनरोलमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड सुपरवाइजर्स And quality of enrollment question: which of the following is considered as a fraud? Taking photo of photo, 77 में चलते हैं। A resident admires one of the Bollywood celebrity. He requests to operate attached celebrity image his Aadhaar rather than his photo. Can the operator agree to resident's request? No. An exception photo is a entered image show an exception. Which of the following options should be operator marks? No exception available in exception photo. 79 में चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट है which of the following option will you check in case you an object in a place of exception photo? बहुत photo of different person. नेक्स्ट है guideline of enrollment operator and supervisor on quality of enrollment. Which of the following is a photo of error? Which of the following is considered as a photo of photo error? A person photo is captured without that the person being physically present. The operator allowing photograph to take residence photo. Which of the following type of photo is marked as a poor quality exception photo? A photo with poor visibility. 33 में Savita is a 65-year-old woman. Due to her ill health, she is unable to come enrollment center to get enrollment Aadhaar. His son get to passport photograph which of capture and a photo for Aadhaar is acceptable to take the photo of such scenarios. Next, Rakesh is an enrollment operator. He something asked for a resident to capture the picture while they enter the details into the system is the exceptional. में है 85 में as per the enrollment guideline a resident need to be enrollment physically at the time of enrollment and photo of the resident need to be clicked either by the enrollment operator or by the resident. False. 86 का क्वेश्चन है however importance or attempts to impersonate another person whether dead of a life real or imaginary by the providing any false demographic information or biometric information shall be punishable with the enrollment for a term which may exceed 2 years. However, impersonate or attempt to impersonate another person, whether deed of a life, real or imaginary, by providing any false demographic information, biometric information, self-punishable with fine may be exceed ₹. 88 में चलते हैं. Absence of a penalty question है. However, will the intention of a cause harm or mischief to an Aadhaar number holders with a intention of appropriating the identifier for Aadhaar number holders change the attempts to change any demographic information or biometric information of Aadhaar number holder by the impersonating the attempting to impersonate another person, deed or life, real or imaginary, shall be punishable with impersonate for a term which may exceed 2-years and shall also be liable to fine which may exceed to 10,000 rupees. ₹50,000 in case of a company that is not authorized to collect identity information under the provisions of this act by words, conduct or demonstrate prudence that the authority to do so shall be punishable with a fine which may exceed to ₹15,000. Operator supervisor name contact number should be mentioned in the exclusion matrix. Do not mention the regulator's name and grievance calls contact number to exclusion matrix. 93. Enrollment agency name and code number should be mentioned in the exclusion matrix. Give are the sum one items which of the details will into exclusion matrix. The office center and contact. Guideline for enrollment staff and enrollment customer satisfaction for a wide fraud. Give her some one item which of the following details will go to exclusion matrix. Guideline for enrollment staff to improve customer satisfaction for fraud satisfaction and avoid fraud. Give her are some items which of the details will go into the exclusion matrix. Question: a guideline for the enrollment staff to improve customer satisfaction and avoid fraud. Give her are some items which of these details will go into the exclusion matrix. Guideline for enrollment staff improve customer satisfaction, avoid fraud. Guideline for enrollment staff to improve customer satisfaction, avoid fraud statement. What is the purpose for Aadhaar? How many days does it take to generate Aadhaar? 19 days. Delivery of Aadhaar taken in 90 days. True. What is the mode of delivery Aadhaar? 1947. A resident lost his Aadhaar letter enrollment ID EID. What is the process request to Aadhaar status SMS? Next, a Radha is student 10 years. He wants to benefit government scholarship program. He is ready to link Aadhaar with the scheme so can continue her studies. Partner student.